Welcome to Math Lab. Today, you're on your journey to solve word problems in time using a model. Today, you're provided with a model of a clock and a lab observation sheet which has the time when our story begins and the time when our story ends. Look carefully at your clock model. The red hand is the shorter hand. It is called the hour hand. The blue hand is the longer hand and it is known as the minute hand. Both the hands of your model can move about the center of the clock. Now, using this model clock, you will find the time when our story begins or the time when our story ends and draw the position of the hands in the clock provided in your lab observation sheet. Then, using this information in the story, you will decide whether you need to add or subtract the time given in this information to complete your story. Let us consider the following story. My friend says, I left my home at 4:10. Can you make the model of this time in your clock? Isn't the hour hand or the red hand a little after 4 and the blue hand or the minute hand at 2, which represents 10 minutes? Now, the other information I have is that my friend took 25 minutes to reach school. Use your model. Move the minute hand by 25 minutes. Can you now find the time my friend reached school? Is it not 4:35? Now draw the hands to represent this time in the clock provided. You can also solve this problem by adding 25 minutes to 4:10. So we can say that 10 plus 25 is 35 and you bring down 4. So he reached school at 4:35. Let us consider another story. My friend says, I stopped playing at 6 o'clock. Can you move the hands of your model clock to represent this time? Right here, my model represents 6 o'clock. Also, draw the hands in the clock provided in your lab observation sheet. Now, the other information I have is that my friend played for 40 minutes. Are you going to add or subtract time? Yes, indeed. My friend started playing 40 minutes before 6 o'clock. So, move the hands of your clock to find the time 40 minutes before 6 o'clock. Is it not 5:20? You can also solve this problem by removing 40 minutes from 6 o'clock. Now look carefully at the numbers in the minute column. Can we remove 40 from 00? So we require to borrow 1 hour from 6. Remember, 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So when I borrow 1 hour from 6, I convert it to 60 minutes. Now, can you remove 40 from 60? Is it not 20? Bring 5 down. So, my friend started playing at 5:20. Have fun solving word problems using your clock model.